Okay, part 2 of the video where I'm interviewing Dr. Mittal is coming up. And just a quick medical disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, stop it, I'm not a doctor, and any advice I give you is based on my own experience in the industry. If you want to talk about your own needs, talk to a doctor. Okay. Get it, good girl. Good girl. How did you get into the industry?
Well, yeah, so, it's a funny story. When we're in medical school, we obviously get some exposure to hair restoration anyway. It's not a massive component of our overall curriculum. I spent a week shadowing a Burns doctor in Leicester who was dabbling in hair restoration, trying to fix people's eyebrows and so forth. At the time,
I love that term, dabbling in hair restoration.
Yeah.
As if it's a pastime.
Yeah, for him it was. Well, obviously now I know. Hindsight is a beautiful thing, right? At that point, I didn't know what I didn't know. I didn't even know what I was really looking at back then. So, as part of a training in 2017, that sort of period, I started to work with a few different clinics on Harley Street in different locations across the UK as a whole. Again, I wasn't convinced that it was going to be absolutely for me, right? It's a nice surgery. It's you can generally sleep easy at night, but it didn't seem that invasive. And then in 2018, I broke my ankle. When I broke my ankle, I had to reevaluate what I was going to be doing long term because I can't stand for long periods of time without my ankle ballooning up. And then I thought, okay, well, I've already been doing this sort of thing part-time. Why don't I give this a go full-time? And it turned out, when I started seeing my results from 2017 onwards, I was pretty good at it. And from there, I was able to sort of, blend other people's techniques that I'd learned how people extracted, worked in clinics where doctors extracted and technicians extracted. So I kind of got to see things on both sides.
Yeah, and that formed your opinion on how to do things and where to take it.
Exactly.
Excellent.